to discover the temple of music. If you can't stand the heat, then leave now. But if you stay, you won't be safe anyway.
Let your bodies become one with the music. Surrender to the master rhythm and feel the experience. Welcome to Tsunami!
Benvenuti a tutti, questo è lo Tsunami!